Tulivugo.
Right.
Wasi kuna morta kino ta outs palangi show.
Hey.
Gamote.
Siya nga, bagilato ka na matamatay ng bongi.
Iya.
Good morning to each and everyone this morning.
Iya.
Also to Leo Kavika, baga rua lubu.
Iya.
Iswara tutini, bitamali may nabotiamba may rewa, be lekseru, do bula binakabanu ni binaturu bingarabi.
Iya.
And mataka binarikwa.
Right.
Also to the people around the world joining to the VTFM this morning. Thank you very much for your company.
Don Womanak. We say good morning to all the students of Oile. Navatu Primary School.
Whoa.
In Raki Raki. Especially to the teachers and the students of Navatu Primary School, and
Gori.
also to the students and of course the parents.
Gori.
Here kita sana tumbu-tumbu. Apa bibiti ko be dona student go tarebi ni dulaki saunangali. Vita wa Raki Raki Rap. And all the students of Navatu Primary School having their prize giving today.
Also, good morning to Mbiusunia
Yeah.
and the family joining from Ngolongoli Sumbuin Nandinikua.
Yeah, right.
Bonole Boy America.
Yes,
Salalo mambibitu ya nibe Mbiusunia kinabubale.
Right.
Na Ngolongoli Sumbuin Nandinikua and nabuni lako na Bonole Boy America.
Dono.
But thank you very much.
Don Babnak, may kibrin lu bebita sa mga nabiyas sa bururan niya ni Matavinaka. Kero na pangod siguro bitoli likia sar ni sa mga mga bitoli nguni sala na matang kuwa.
Iyo.
Bung ni ngolong ngolong daka pakakinan abibo no so bi kibrin na bakadar so ko siguro muni mga dongo.
Right.
Rasa pa ni binak na biyo kaningo ni na maru tegi tiguna bika maru tegi mimbali tikenda. And muni madawa. And sa pa na matikinago.
Also to the student looking forward for their prize giving. Another formula this morning.
Iyo.
To all the students there. Thank you very much to all the guardian and parents.
Iyo.
Sana ila songobata, good morning.
Right.
And the family joining this morning.
Don Babnak. Iya, may kibrin na makikiraw. Di ko rebe laga tonga ni Russo. And pakatambok inducho ko and vi poseso. And daw dabuta be ira and daw lomana si ira iyo. Ira and daw lomani ira sarabagaliwe. Go na words of endearment.
Iyo.
Eh?
Before the word of endearment,
Iyo.
this one is sana ila songobata.
Iyo.
F197.
Iyo.
Doon na number plate ko song karita pa kando
Iyo.
F197.
Uy.
Bulabinaka to the family and also to sana ila songobata, the one and only.
Iyo.
Motorcyclist.
Iyo.
This is a family together with Meltamani.
Oh, same family eh?
Yeah.
Okay, ano binaka?
Ano binaka?
Taban ni traffic ni tamatag no bis.
Gori. And also to the people are joining from yesterday. We did
Yeah.
the grog session for the Vitala de Bimbukuroy.
Iyo.
To one of our family,
Yeah.
Israel Tawake.
Right.
Young boy, this is the first time for Israel Tawake
Iyo.
to come to Suba. Thank you very much.
Don Babnak, okay. Pagod binaka be Father Kuila Tambolo.
Yeah.
Sama cuma matang di ko. Baru talaga be naipote katoli tambua.
Gori.
Oh ya, nimbulo binaka.
Dombula.
Na boleh besar bito kan na matang di ko. Okay. To na phrases of affection to
Gori.
express love and care. Terms of endearment. Who can you say darling to?
Darling
Iyo.
is a very romantic word.
Okay, right.
You can say darling
Yeah.
with the one you love.
Yeah.
You can say darling to the one you need.
Yeah.
You can say darling to the one you nurture.
How about sweetheart?
Sweetheart is only for the girl. You especially to the girl.
Oh, okay.
Where there is sweet,
Yeah.
there is heart. Where there is heart, there is sweet. There is sweet, there is Diwali.
How about honey?
Honey,
Can I call you honey?
no, it's not for me.
Why?
It's for the one close to you.
Oh, okay.
The one who nurture you.
Right.
The one who loves you.
Right.
The one
Yeah.
who is number one.
Okay.
And also, listen yung balaya sabu now, nung kuya talilay
Yeah.
from Nangay in Lambasa, and also to talaisen yung balaya sabu,
Yeah.
and also to especially to Moles from Nangay.
Okay, how about this word, that is baby?
Baby,
Yeah.
baby
Yeah.
is a very pleasant word.
Yeah.
This is the first
Explain,
word.
explain.
This is the first word you heard before coming.
Yeah. Can you say
it's a
baby to daddy?
Baby to daddy
Yeah.
can,
Yeah.
but far away from daddy. Daddy will do the Karate Kid. Baby is a word that especially to us men,
Yeah.
we say to our love.
Okay, we say good
Yeah.
morning to Josiah Ravisoli.
Right.
And Mataka Vidaniko, thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Okay, love. The
Love.
word love.
The love.
Yeah.
Before we come to that,
Yeah.
the word itself was here.
Wana kosa spiritual ngo.
Here.
Kosa bunongo.
The word was here.
Yeah.
It's only 4 alphabet.
Yeah.
When you see the first letter L,
Yeah.
L point on top,
Yeah.
heaven. L across,
Yeah.
relationship, nawe kamu.
Wana na ubwe.
Love,
Yeah.
when you love God,
Yeah.
you love the people.
Dearest.
Huh?
Yeah, dearest.
Dearest.
What about the word dearest? Yeah.
Dearest,
Yeah.
this is the word coming before the paragraph.
Ibola.
This is the first man
Yeah.
in the paragraph
Yeah.
when you do a letter writing. Dearest memorable understanding.
Angel.
Angel
Yeah.
is a winger.
Yeah.
Eba tambana.
Yeah.
Angel
Wisa winga?
is a winger.
Eba kataban.
Eba tambana.
Oh, okay.
Whenever you hear the word angel,
Yeah.
it comes you the white.
Okay.
Very humble.
Yeah.
Very unity.
Okay, and there's another one here.
Come.
Sweetie.
Sweetie.
Yeah.
Sweetie.
Can you say sweetie to Tame Faustina?
Tame Faustina is not a sweetheart.
Tama nga.
He's a Swisses. He's a swinger.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah, sweet and sour. So sweeter
Yeah.
is a word.
Yeah.
Sweetie.
Yeah,
Sweetie is a word that you are alone.
Okay.
Okay, bosan ni rau tu tondua.
Okay.
In a empty space.
Yeah. Pai correct.
In a lonely path.
Yeah.
In
Where
a
time stands still.
where time stands still.
Yeah.
Where there is a need of
Yeah.
a coolness, vulnerable of depression.
Yeah. Warna raki. Okay.
There is a sweetie
Okay,
coming.
Love bug.
Huh?
Love bug.
Oh, no. Labag.
Yeah.
Ngona mondore the kina.
Yeah.
The bag coming from the Kutintana. When you love the bag,
Yeah.
you know the responsibility
Yeah.
of the Kutintana.
Can you say to Meli?
Yeah.
Not Meli Turanganite. Meli the motorbike rider.
Oh, Meli Adele Meli Tamani.
Can you say to Meli?
Sanaila will say,
You are my love bug.
on behalf of our people of Fiji, Sanaila Songomata will say
Yeah.
to Meli,
Yeah.
Meli,
Yeah.
you are the love bags.
Cupcake.
Cupcake
Yeah.
is hungry. Right now we need you. Come close. Cupcake,
Yeah.
award that coming.
Please take us to the cupcake.
Ako tinay jujum bara bilalam bulan na barombo ko sa awan ni. Iyo.
Please explain.
Cupcake.
Yeah.
Cupcake is a blackie.
Yeah.
He got only 2 color.
Yeah.
Only blackie,
Yeah.
brownish.
Okay, one.
So it's very tasty.
All right.
Before eating the cupcake,
Yeah.
there is
Yeah.
plastic
Yeah.
Wrap
Wrap around.
around.
Yeah.
That is covering him from
I know.
the melody.
Yeah. I don't know. The
Yeah.
melody of the heat, eh?
Momo bereti ngone ke momo marika ndo bola benaka abatale kire be momo ninora
Yeah.
ninora tongol tumen ngone tim ni the konrobe
Yeah.
and a chow games.
How
Come.
about this word, snuggle bug?
Snuggle bug.
Yeah.
Apa?
Snuggle bug.
Snuggle bug.
Yeah.
Na snuggle.
What's the meaning of this word?
Snuggle.
Snuggle bug.
Snuggle.
Yeah.
Coming from the
Not terms of endearment, okay?
Yeah.
Right?
snuggle.
Yeah.
Coming from the word sniper.
Okay, one now.
Gonna sniper coming from the word Vakairiro.
You are my sunshine. What about sunshine?
Sunshine.
Yeah.
You are my sunshine. Kanambalang ko. When you met her in the morning,
Yeah.
without a proper manners of say hi.
Yeah, no. Okay. Cutie.
Cutie.
Yeah.
Cutie now.
Yeah.
We only say to the child.
Yo.
Now as gang because of the grog,
Yeah.
we are not cutie.
Yeah.
We are
Cuteless.
we are not kutless. We are kutari.
Or kutuless.
We are kutun.
Sugar.
Sugar
Yeah.
is a very sweetest ever we met in our lives.
No.
Without him,
Yeah.
the sugar,
Yeah.
there is a tasteless in our tea.
Sweet, eh?
Without the sugar,
Yeah.
there is a tasteless in the cake.
Okay.
Without sugar,
Yeah.
there is a no sugar daddy.
Doll.
Huh?
Doll.
Doll is a very tough man. He's a very short fella. He He'll be roaming around.
Yeah.
12.
Alright, what's you go?
Ngai.
Lovebird.
Lovebird.
Iya.
Ngon nangon mero witalo kini rona tama tatambu sakayan.
Okay.
They talking to each other
Yeah.
using their
Okay, alright, okay. Phrases of affection.
Ngai.
You mean the world to me. Natapa kayo mbambala. Please, explain to us more the deeper meaning of this word, you mean the world to me.
When somebody loves one another,
Yeah.
he die of himself. Embole lama toko ya. But never underestimate him. He's a liar too. He's a sorceress. He's a manufacturer.
I adore you.
I adore you, kena bale ko. Yan, katu batugori. Pet do there,
Yeah.
road there.
You are my everything.
Kena bale you are my everything.
Yeah.
You are only there for me.
You
You are only there for me. You are my everything.
You make me so happy.
Ego tu amor takiyo nga.
Yeah.
Kaya ko sulisente.
You are my heart and soul.
You are my heart and soul.
Yeah.
Kena bale na utong gori.
Yeah.
Bata kisaula.
Yeah.
Era nono
I
tu
can't
nanu.
imagine my life without you.
You ano sinenray diko. Ano sinenray diko. Sinenray diko. Sinrawa.
Ane bundi no kunto moniko.
Iya.
Leso na ngono sa sinrediko.
Ako sinenray diko. Kere. Tosi bola kamay.
You light up my life.
Oy kung tumawang gari ko tu, nangone ko tumbuto tukina. Nasasama yung kumu. Sambay doro-doro may.
Okay, what's it like darugo?
Iya.
You are my one and only.
Oh, kwango menanggay ba ko takina.
Yeah, you are my one and only.
Ngomo nabuta mi ko andami tunggu resamu. Raidi ko ya.
Iya,
Raidi ko ya. Tangali selewa.
Yeah, lomani ben.
Lomani ben, karo
Basi.
TJ.
Iya.
Raidi ko binaka.
Yeah.
Kaya ko ikon dondo, raidi ko na ilo-ilo. Tu
Iya.
na ko.
Yeah.
You are my one and only. Napos na one coming from the only.
Yeah.
Na only coming from the one.
Right.
Forever.
Wanna now.
Iya.
Wanna now. Gentle touches.
Gentle touch ko. Kere-kere bikin na turanga.
Iya.
Enta tasere. Boleh bila kamai boli-boli, boleh re.
Tasere, rawan.
Iyo, sere kere-kere. Sama takana panua. Ele kira sakara mua. Good morning. We love you all.
Wey.
Di Momosi, na umita tundonu. Dombula.
Na boleh besar. Oi, eli kira saka mua na boleh besar bito kaya na mata kaya daya nora ni bilitagi bola kakai pa ni binagatuya na garabitagi.
Boleh re.
Na usala boleh kakai ko mando boleh taki sama mo. Ni mo taki na leiro. Iyo. Suka ngau koko. Bila me doka na uto. Artono no mina athletes nimba.
Dono.
Pambibio mereani nae serenia ratu. Sopi Lorena Buye. Vataki Uliano doka na uto.
Gori.
Isa. Waktu bilang main nolbenta. Unon ragito yan na matongo. Isa raw siya nangit sa serito nolbenta.
Dini Sara.
Sa talang abira sa ralisi yan na doro kurni buli. Sa ralisi ng tamara sa ralisi yung nangoni. Era may bimbicho ka ng bakingo. Chis ka nung rangito patango. Ang bagi mo. Andin din na kurni buli. May mital ngayon na buli to na sama ni buli. Sa may mital talasoer na to sa batyan ni Rubi kurni buli so.
Right.
Ano buni yawan sila kalasin dua. Sa na may mital talasiguri sa tapa. Na buli baka bagi buli.
Right.
Pero na lubenta sa ni buli.
Emiran ron dombula.
Isa.
Ve game name tebita pongali.
Iya.
Sere yang baki mbole binaka. Ve oisia dengan rau dombula. Bela levu. Dombula binaka, mbole binaka kay nongu.
Na malu sar beto kan
Iya.
may ang mata ni ko ay na Joe. Meto na nonta nga una katarapa.
Achobats.